Start by clicking on AP Payment. When the window opens, select the creditor from the list. Enter a description for the transaction. Adjust the date if needed. For this example, we'll use the default date. Choose your payment method. Enter the check number, if applicable. Input the payment amount. After entering the amount, tick the checkbox to apply the payment to the invoice. Once all details are complete, click Save and Preview. Select the report layout you want to generate. In this example, we'll select the half-page format. This is the preview output of your payment record. You can export the report to PDF, Excel, Word, HTML, and other supported formats. You can also send it directly via WhatsApp or email to your recipient. And that's how you record an AP payment in AutoCount.